The HPMax, it's a really successful airgun because it's compact, it has a folding stock. This is the original version with the bolt action and also with an assembled moderator to reduce the sound. Now this is the Germany legal version in a super weak 7.5 joule, but of course elsewhere like in the US you can buy it in full power, and then it has like 237 joules, so it's really powerful and devastating in its effect because it's 9mm caliber, so a 35 caliber gun, and you can also shoot slugs in the open version, of course, making it really effective. In any case, what it's not is it's not fast repeating because it's a bolt action repeater. So you gotta draw the bolt back, push it all the way, and then just like any bolt action gun. And then of course it's a fun and accurate little shooter. It's a set that you can instantly install to the HPMax, and it consists of this tube here and then of this really clever piece of steel that actually does the whole bolt action repeating for you while you pump. So first of all, there's the steering curve here, and as you can see, what this does is it just moves the bolt up and down just like you would normally do this with your hand. And then you also push back the bolt just like you would also do with your hand, and then you can do the rest in reverse, like so. See, I just cycled the gun and now it's ready to shoot. Bang. And of course I don't have to take this out of the line of fire to repeat again. This is the big advantage of the pump gun versus the repeating action. It's also actually a lot easier now to put in a new magazine because you can simply just put this against your hip, push down on it, and then put the magazine in and be done with this. The biggest advantage is like in a self-defense scenario, because you can just shoot it from the hip and then repeat it really fast. Just let me put this down to the floor to not endanger anyone. So you can just repeat it and shoot, and so this is so quick, it's just almost as quick as if you would be shooting a semi-auto gun. So where can I get this? Well, if you're in the US, you can order it from gogun.co directly. They're already taking orders, even though they expect first shipment in November, because this is obviously still a 3D printed prototype and the final product will be super high quality injection molded. So November is expected to be the delivery date, and you can actually order it on that site. If you're outside of the US, you can also order from gogun.de, or I guess from gogun.uk if you're in the UK. I put all the links down there for you. Now, can this also be done with a 3D printed thing? Well, a part of it. I think you could just, this is actually 3D printed, so this absolutely can be 3D printed if you have designed it. But this here must be steel, because otherwise it would have to be really bulky, since there's a serious amount of force involved in here. So that's why I think that this needs to be done in steel and also like protected with another plastic piece here to not scratch the precious anodized aluminum. So I hope you liked this, because that's it for today. Thanks, and oh, didn't hit it. Bye bye.